This is AQA A-Level Chemistry, and this is a multiple choice question on the topic of equilibrium. I'm going to recommend you pause, have a go, and then review your answer. So it is quite a long answer, a long question for 1 mark, but it's a fairly straightforward one as well. Take a look at all of the information that's been provided, and I'm going to recommend that you sketch out a table that looks a little bit like this. We've got the initial number of moles, and we've got the equilibrium number of moles for each of the different species within the equation. Now, I'm going to put in the numbers that we've been provided with, and I've color coded those so you can see where they come from. So we started initial moles 4.2 of CO and 2 of H2O, and we've been told that we ended up with 1.6 moles of hydrogen. Now we can also assume that we didn't start with any products, so we can put our 0.00 into the 2 products, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. From there, we need to work out the remaining equilibrium moles. Well, quite handily, these are all 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 ratios. So if I'm making 1.6 moles of hydrogen, I need to use 1.6 moles of carbon monoxide. So my equilibrium moles will be 4.2, take away that 1.6, I have 2.6. I do the same thing with my water. 2, take away the 1.6 because it's a 1 to 1 ratio, giving me 0.4 moles. And because the ratio of the product is 1 to 1, if I make 1.6 moles of H2, I'm also making 1.6 moles of CO2. So I've now got all of my equilibrium moles. Now they're not concentrations, but because this all balances out in terms of units, this actually comes to a Kc value of no units. We don't need volumes. The volumes will cancel out. So we can put those straight in. I do that remembering it's products over reactants. Once I put those figures in, I get the answer 2.46. The correct answer is D.